Bonjour, bienvenue. Le passé est le plus que parfait du subjonctif, subjunctive past and past perfect tense. Le passé du subjonctif is framed like any other compound tenses. We have learnt so far many compound tenses. Le passé composé we learnt in lesson 23, digital French class lesson 23, where we made use of the auxiliary verb avoir or être in indicative present tense and past participle. For example, j'ai parlé, I have spoken, j'ai, avoir in indicative present tense. In digital French class 27, we learned le plus que parfait de l'indicatif, where we made use of avoir or être in imperfect of indicative and the past participle was added. Digital lesson 28, le futur antérieur, avoir and être in future tense and past participle. J'aurais parlé. Lesson 34, le passé antérieur, avoir or être in passé simple of indicative mode and the past participle is added. I had spoken. Digital French 36, le passé conditionnel, conditional passé, where we made avoir or être in present tense of conditional mode and the past participle is added. I would have spoken. Here in this lesson we learn le passé du subjonctif, subjunctive past tense, where avoir or être we are going to do in subjunctive present and past participle is going to be added. In all these 6 compound tenses, we are going to follow the same construction. Only the tense of avoir or être changes. In passé composé, present tense of avoir, in le plus que parfait, imperfect of avoir, in futur antérieur, future tense of avoir, le passé antérieur, passé simple of avoir. In all these 4 tenses, we made use of indicative mode. In the 5th compound tense, le passé conditionnel, we made avoir into present conditional, conditional present of avoir, and in subjunctive passé, subjunctive mode, we are going to make use of subjunctive present of avoir. In passé composé, present tense of avoir in indicative, plus que parfait, imperfect of avoir in indicative, in futur antérieur, future tense of avoir in indicative, in le passé antérieur, passé simple of avoir in indicative. Then in the 5th tense, le passé conditionnel, present tense of avoir in conditional mode, conditional present of avoir, and now in le passé du subjonctif, we are going to make use of present tense of subjunctive of avoir and past participle. Please understand, we change only the tense of auxiliary verbs avoir or être in order to make different compound tenses. The construction of all these compound tenses are same. Now in this lesson, we go in detail with the making of le passé du subjonctif. We have 3 verbs given on the screen. Let's learn how to make passé du subjonctif one by one. The first verb, finir, an ordinary transitive verb, the compound tense of which is made with the auxiliary verb avoir. Passé du subjonctif. So we conjugate avoir in present subjunctive. J'ai and past participle of finir is added. J'ai, J apostrophe A-I-E, that is a conjugation of avoir in subjunctive present and past participle is added. J'ai fini, tu es fini, il est fini, elle est fini, nous ayons fini, vous ayez fini, ils aient fini, elles aient fini. This is the conjugation of finir in subjunctive passé. Next verb is aller. It's one of the 16 intransitive verbs to be conjugated with the help of the auxiliary verb être. Conjugate être in subjunctive present. Je suis allé. ALLE, acute accent. One more E can be added if je is feminine, singular. Tu sois allé. Il soit allé. Elle soit allée. Nous soyons allés. Vous soyez allés. Il soit allé. Elle soit allée. Here, please note the agreement of past participle with the subject. The third example is a reflexive verb, se laver. Again, we conjugate être in subjunctive present and the past participle is added. Je me sois lavé, tu te sois lavé, il se soit lavé, elle se soit lavée, nous nous soyons lavés, vous vous soyez lavés, il, elle se soit lavé. Please remember, in compound tenses, the reflexive verbs make use of être and the past participle agrees with the gender and number of the subject. The translation of a sentence of subjunctive passé could be I finished, I have finished, I may have finished. You finished, you have finished, you may have finished, etc. It's advisable you go through the previous lessons of compound tenses in digital French class. You will find this lesson very simple. In plus que parfait du subjunctif, we make use of same construction. The only difference is instead of conjugating the auxiliary verb avoir or être in subjunctive present tense, we make use of subjunctive passé of the auxiliary verbs. That is the only difference. Passé du subjunctif. Subjunctif passé is avoir or être in subjunctive present tense and past participle. J'ai écrit. I have written. Plus que parfait du subjunctif is avoir or être in passé du subjunctif plus past participle of the verb. J'eus écrit. I had written. Passé subjonctif. J'ai écrit. I have written. Plus que parfait du subjonctif. J'eus écrit. I had written. In passé du subjonctif. Avoir in present tense of subjonctif. In plus que parfait du subjonctif, we make avoir into passé du subjonctif. Again, we have 3 examples on the screen. We'll try to conjugate these 3 verbs in plus que parfait du subjonctif one by one. Finir, to finish. J'eus fini. What is j'eus? E-U-S-S-E. It's the conjugation of avoir in passé du subjonctif. And the past participle fini is added. J'eus fini. I had finished. Tu eus fini. Il eut fini. Elle eut fini. nous eussions fini, vous eussiez fini, ils eussent fini, elles eussent fini is the conjugation of finir in plique parfait du subjonctif. That is the conjugation of auxiliary verb in passé du subjonctif and the past participle. Next example is aller, an intransitive verb to be conjugated with the help of être. So, je fus aller. F-U-S-S-E, conjugation of être in subjonctif passé. Je fus allé, tu fus allé, il fut allé, elle fut allée, nous fusions allés, vous fusiez allés, ils fusent allés, elles fusent allées. Beware of the agreement of past participle with the gender and number of the subject. The third example is a reflexive verb se laver. It's to be conjugated with the help of être in compound tense. Conjugate être in subjunctive passé to make it into subjunctive plique parfait. Je me fus lavé, tu te fus lavé, il se fut lavé, elle se fut lavé, nous nous fusions lavé, vous vous fusiez lavé, il, elle se fusent lavé. I had washed myself, you had washed yourself, etc. Or I might wash myself, I might have washed myself. These are the possible translation depending upon the context. Lisez et comprenez. 5 sentences are given. Il doute que Radha ait fini le travail. Ait fini is in which tense? Present tense of subjunctive of avoir and past participle. So it should be passé du subjunctif. He doubts that Radha finished the work or has finished the work. Je suis ravi que. Second one. Je suis ravi que tu y sois venu. Sois venu. Present tense of être. Present subjunctive of être and past participle venu. Again, it should be passé du subjunctif. I am delighted that you came here. Number 3. Je doutais qu'elle ait mangé. Subjunctive present tense of avoir, ait, manger, past participle. So the tense here is passé du subjunctif. I doubted that she ate or she has eaten. Number 4. Je doutais qu'elle fût partie. Être is conjugated in passé du subjunctif and past participle is added. So the tense here is plique parfait du subjunctif. I doubted that she had left. Number 5. Il partait quoiqu'il eût été malade. A conjunction that requires subjunctive quoique. Il partait. He left even though. Quoique, even though. Il eût été malade. Conjugation of avoir in subjunctive passé and past participle été. So the tense here is plique parfait. The situations where we use the subjunctive mode remain same to all tenses of subjunctive. We have already learnt in detail the context where subjunctive mode is employed in Digital French Class Lesson 36. You may please go through for a better understanding. You have a conjugation work to do. Number 1, que j'ai écrit. Subjunctive passé. You must conjugate in subjunctive passé. Simply continue up to ELL ES. J'ai écrit, tu as écrit, subject plus avoir in subjunctive present and past participle of the verb. Number 2, que je fus venu. Here actor is conjugated in subjunctive passé and the past participle venu is added. You must continue up to ELLES. This tense is subjunctive fluique parfait. Do it carefully. Please go through this lesson again when you have any doubts while doing this work. With this, we come to the end of this video class. You may subscribe to this YouTube channel for the notifications of the latest lessons. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye bye.